Spiritual unity. A memorable evening meeting in Amatus was the one discussing spiritual unity. James Zebedee had asked, "Master, how can we learn to see everything in an equal way? How can we have more harmony among ourselves?" When Jesus heard this question, he gave a sharp answer. "I never taught you to see things the same way. I have come into the world to proclaim spiritual freedom so that people may gain the strength to live individual, original lives before God. I do not desire to achieve social harmony and fraternal peace at the expense of sacrificing free personality and spiritual originality. What I ask of you is unity in spirit, and you can experience it together in joy by devotedly and wholeheartedly pursuing the will of my Father in heaven. It is not necessary for all to have the same understanding or to think alike to be spiritually equal. Spiritual unity arises when you are aware that each one of you is indwelling the spirit gift of the Heavenly Father. Your harmony must stem from the realization that the spirit of each of you is identical in its origin, nature, and destiny. You can feel a deep spiritual unity even when your individual mindsets are not on the same frequency. Your personalities may show diversity in refreshing ways and differ strikingly from one another, while your spiritual nature and the spirit fruits of God worship and brotherly love are the same. An observant outsider, beholding your lives, will notice your mutual spirit, identity, and soul unity. He will be able to recognize that you are different from the world, that your highest value is to do the will of the Father in heaven. Mutual spirit unity implies two things. First, you all have a common motive to serve God, through your desire to do above all things the will of the Father in heaven. Second, you all have the same common purpose of existence, to find the Father in heaven. Throughout the training of the 12, Jesus returned to this theme many times. Repeatedly, he told them that it was not his desire that those who believed in him should become numb to the religious teachings of anyone. Again and again he warned his apostles of the dangers of formulating creeds and establishing traditions, because this leads to a materialized truth and a traditional faith.